If you tried to make bubble tea at home and it just didn't taste like the boba shop, you need to try our bubble tea recipe. We'll use a mix of black tea blends to get close to some boba stores and use fresh milk to keep it healthy. We'll start with the classic milk tea base with tapioca pearls, then we'll show you how to make the most popular boba flavors like a earthy yet sweet matcha bubble tea, a nutty taro milk tea, Korean strawberry bubble tea, and mango boba. To make tapioca pearls from scratch, you'll need tapioca starch, brown sugar, and water. Boil the brown sugar with water, then turn the heat off when it starts to bubble. Add in your tapioca starch in small increments while continuously mixing. Initially, you'll get a sticky paste, but eventually it will become a tacky dough. Spread some starch on a flat surface and knead the dough while it's still warm. Roll it out and cut them into small cubes. Then roll them into ball shapes and just keep rolling. Once you're done, coat these in tapioca starch and you're ready to cook them. Obviously, we sped up all that boba dough rolling and shaping for this video, so if you don't have time for handmade tapioca pearls, you can always use instant tapioca pearls instead. Pop your handmade pearls into some boiling water and cook them under medium-high heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Then for another 5 minutes under low heat. These tapioca pearls are soft on the outside but have a chewy center. We go into much more detail on how to get different textures based on the cooking time and also how to make fruit-flavored tapioca pearls in our other video, so do check that out if you want. Take your tapioca pearls out of the water and into an ice bath to cool for 1 to 2 minutes. To make brown sugar boba, you can mix them with some brown sugar syrup and set this aside. To make a simple syrup, combine equal parts of sugar and water and heat it. Then, once it's all dissolved, you can use this for both hot and cold bubble milk tea drinks. For our classic bubble tea, we're using a mix of Assam, Ceylon, and Oolong. Now, most boba shops will have their own secret mix, but we've done our own digging and this is the closest taste we have to some of our favorite bubble tea stores, where the tea is strong with a mellow but fragrant aftertaste. You can also use normal black tea bags if you don't have Ceylon or Oolong. As we're using Oolong, we're going to brew this for 15 minutes in some hot water rather than boiling water. If you're looking for a low caffeine version or one with a slight bitter aftertaste, head to our website if you're interested. Once the time is up, remove the leaves and let the mixture cool down. Once it's cool, you can mix in your simple syrup and milk, and you're ready to assemble. In a tall glass, add your cooked tapioca pearls, ice, tea, and more pearls on top. If you tried our tea blend to make bubble tea, make sure to like this video. Next up, we'll show you how to make matcha bubble tea. You'll need matcha, hot water, milk, and some of the cooked brown sugar tapioca pearls you've made. First, whisk the green tea with hot water until it becomes foamy. You can also use an electric whisk if you add more water, but you will get a less creamy matcha boba. Then, add your brown sugar boba, ice, milk, and then gently pour on your matcha to create a beautiful white and green layer. To make taro milk tea, you just need some taro milk tea powder. Depending on the milk tea powder you're using, you'll want to reduce the amount of water or add a bit more milk if it's too sweet or needs to be thicker. Then, add your tapioca pearls, ice, and purple taro mixture to assemble. You can also replace tapioca pearls with crystal boba if you want a bubble tea recipe without tapioca starch. Let us know in the comments below if you want us to show you our version with fresh taro root instead. Next, let's make strawberry milk tea, but the Korean version with fresh blended strawberries, sugar, and milk. Start by blending your strawberries with some simple syrup or sugar. Add your tapioca pearls to the bottom of the glass, then your strawberry puree, ice, and milk. Then top your pink boba drink off with more strawberries and some strawberry boba. For mango boba, we're going with fresh chopped mango, green tea and milk. Brew your green tea, blend your mangoes, and assemble for some creamy goodness. Top this off with fresh mango and some mango tapioca pearls. And that's how you make some of the most popular classic bubble tea flavors. Remember to subscribe for more bubble tea recipes and let us know in the comments below what we should make next.